with any job, but especially something like that, especially sales, and especially in a situation where you're sort of selling the same thing for a long time, right? So you're with the same company for years, you're selling the same type of products for years, whatever it may be. How do you keep that passion up? You know, I'm sure it differs for different people, but for you, how do you keep the passion up?
I think it's easier than you think. And what I mean by that is, I don't know too many people who are passionate about mortgages. I know a couple. Brett, who's one of our loan officers here, is really passionate about like mortgages, guidelines, knowing how to get things done, doing that different stuff. For most mortgage salespeople, I think they're passionate about their clients. And not like their clients in general, but their clients very specifically, like this one. Or their realtor that they're helping out, this one relationship with this realtor. The passion comes from the value they deliver in their community to the people that they know, like, and trust, and people that know, like, and trust them. And so the passion for that, which is having an impact on your community, having human relationships where you're benefiting people and delivering value, that doesn't go away, right? The product is the vehicle, but it's not the passion. The passion is, hey, this person in my community is buying a house. I want this to be as stress-free for them as possible. I want them to get a really good deal, and I want them to know what that deal is going to be from the beginning of the process to the end of the process. I know that changing homes and moving is one of the most stressful things a human being can do, and I want to make sure the mortgage part of that is not adding to that stress, right? I want them to be stressed about the moving truck. I want them to be stressed about the sellers doing whatever they got to do, or the negotiation of this, or the inspection, if they're worried about something. But the mortgage part, I want that to be smooth and easy. I want them to wake up at the end and go, wow, I didn't even think about the mortgage during this process. I just got my money and closed. Right? It was effortless, right? And so the passion becomes, how do I save this person from that stress? How do I make sure they get this house? How do I help them make a good decision about how much house they can afford? And so that passion for that is pretty easy to maintain, whether you've been doing this for 1 year or 30 years.